We are making a start with some news that's breaking this minute. The latest update coming in the Sushant Singh case, the NCP custody given to Basit till September 9th. Remember, Basit is the second drug peddler linked to Souvik Chakravarti. He was produced in the Mumbai court. Now, Basit allegedly delivered the consignment to Samuel Miranda and Souvik. Those are the details now coming in at this point. We are looking at the second drug peddler, Basit, who earlier was produced before the Mumbai court. He has now been sent to the NCP custody till September 9th. Now remember, the first drug peddler who was also produced before the court, Zayed, who was now also sent to NCP custody till 9th of September. The second drug peddler, Basit, has also been now sent to NCP custody till September 9th. Now there are a lot of angles that are going to be looked at in this case, and the larger nexus that is there in the cartel that is there in Mumbai's Bollywood industry as well. And all of those is going to be detailed, looked at by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And also with regards to the current case of the Sushant Singh Rajput, we are of course looking at several connections and several angles that are going to be explored, considering the fact that Basit allegedly even supplied drugs to both Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda. More breaking updates coming in. Mirror now has accessed the NCB's remand copy. Now, the remand copy, very importantly, mentions Souvik and Miranda's name. The remand copy says that Basit, in fact, revealed the drug link to Souvik, and Basit procured the drugs as per Souvik's instruction. Let me bring in my colleague Santya for further updates on this. Santya, this is a big development coming in, with Mirror now also accessing the NCB remand copy, which does mention the name of Souvik and Samuel Miranda. Take us through the details of what has been mentioned in the remand copy and how Basit allegedly has links to both Souvik and Samuel Miranda. We'll try and reconnect with Santya in just a bit, but these are important details now coming in with regards to the NCB's remand copy that has been accessed by Mirror now. And in this remand copy, there are specific mentions of Souvik and Miranda's. Their names have been mentioned in this particular remand copy. This remand copy also says that Basit revealed the drug links to Souvik, and Basit had procured the drugs as per Souvik's instruction. Now, other instances of Basit arranging drugs for Souvik has also been revealed in this remand copy. Not just that, in this remand copy, Souvik directed Basit to deliver drugs to Samuel. All right, we're quickly getting in some reactions there coming in. Let's cut across to that.
No. See, it is admitted it is a bailable offence, but still they have been remanded to custody.
So, what was the reason behind seeking remand in a bailable remand?
You can't seek a remand in a bailable offence, but they have sought it, and the magistrate has granted it. So now we will challenge that order in the High Court. 9 days. 9th of September.
Sir, 9th September. What about the allegations? Sir, is he also connected with the same Sushant case according to NCB?
Arey Baba, they are friends who may have exchanged some messages. These guys are attributing it to purchase and sale of drugs, that's all. There's nothing else. Against this boy, there is nothing.
So they have detained some more people also, and they're questioning them. So
they may question them, but ultimately the quantity is only small quantity in respect of every and everything that they are investigating.
The charges of small-time drug peddling?
No, but it is charges for small possession or conspiracy of small quantity, which is bailable. That's all that happens.
Yesterday it was cash recovery basis on which they were pressing for sections 27 and 29. So what in this case they are pressing about?
There is no recovery from him. There is no cash recovery also. So and his statement also, there is an allegation that at the most he dealt with 5 grams of ganja. At the most. So that is भाई उसको लो बेटा मेरा हाइट क्या बोलो हिंदी में क्या बोलो बेटा
कोर्ट ने आज क्या कहा और कब तक के लिए रिमांड पर भेजा बासित को?
कोर्ट ने ये कहा कि उसको 9 तारीख तक के कस्टडी में रखेंगे परिहार को।
सर, जिस तरीके से जायद का रिमांड था उसमें सेक्शन 27 और 29 प्रेस किया था ऑन द ग्राउंड्स ऑफ रिकवरी ऑफ कैश, लेकिन इस केस में उन्होंने किस आधार पर रिमांड मांगी बेलेबल ऑफेंस में?
भाई अभी वो प्रोसिक्यूटर ने सबमिशन किए साहब ने, और साहब ने अलाउड किए So I'll have to see the order and find out क्या exactly is the reason why he's remanded to custody.
सर कोई ड्रग्स भी मिला है क्या? जो
नहीं, कुछ नहीं मिला बेटा.
एलिगेशन सर सामने आ रहे थे कि ड्रग्स को लेकर जो सुशांत
शौविक से कोई कनेक्शन, कोई चैट का
भाई
कनेक्शन?
कुछ नहीं है यार, कुछ नहीं है. This is just they are making a mountain out of a molehill. Thank you.
All right, that was a reaction there coming in from Tariq Syed, who's the lawyer of Basit, the drug peddler, who has been now sent to NCB custody till September 9th. Let me bring in my colleague Sandhya for further updates on this and the important details now being revealed in the remand copy. Sandhya, first of all, help us understand what has been revealed in the remand copy, because there is a very important aspect here to be highlighted, is how this particular remand copy does mention the name of both Souvik and Samuel Miranda in several instances, connecting Basit, the drug peddler, to both Souvik and Samuel Miranda.
Yes, absolutely, Apurva. See, till now, all the connections of Basit with Souvik or Samuel Miranda were the ones which were mentioned by NCB and which were informed by NCB to media. But this is for the first time that officially NCB in a document, in a court document, is accepting that how how Basit had connections with Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda. Talking about the highlights of the remand copy, Apurva. First, it says that Basit has revealed his involvement in the purchase and selling of marijuana. Apart from that, Basit used to procure drugs from Zayed, another co-accused in the case, and from another person, Kaizan Ibrahim, on the instructions of Souvik Chakravarti. And then Basit was directed by Souvik to deliver the drugs to Samuel Miranda. Apart from that, the remand also mentions that there are instances when Basit facilitated to arrange for the drugs and he was in contact with Souvik Chakravarti. So this is for the first time, Apurva, that NCB in a document, in a court document, officially is talking about the links of the arrested accused with Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda. Apurva.
Absolutely. Sandhya, this is extremely important considering the line of questioning that is going to be also taking place as far as Souvik, Samuel Miranda is concerned as well. Sandhya, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those key updates. And these are the important revelations that have been made in the remand copy that has been accessed by Mirror now. In fact, we're getting more updates coming in at this point. And remember, this at a time where we're looking at both searches that had taken place earlier in the morning of Souvik's house and Samuel Miranda. And both of them were issued notice to join the probe as well, and currently they are being investigated at this point, and all of this regarding the drug link probe that has further exploded. And with this remand copy of the NCB that has been accessed by Mirror now, and as my colleague Sandhya was also giving out those important details there of what's mentioned in the remand copy for the first time in an official document, we are looking at the mention of both Souvik and Samuel Miranda's names in the remand copy. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Kulkarni, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Neha, this is going to be extremely important to understand with Basit in custody of the NCB till 9th of September, and the remand copy also now mentioning important links that are first time emerging and the names that have been taken. Help us understand what happened in the court, the kind of arguments that took place in the court while the NCB sought the custody of Basit till 9th of September.
Apurva, about close to 12 p.m, Basit was brought in by the NCP team at the Killa Court here where we are standing right now. The Killa Court in CST in South Mumbai, where he was brought in by a team of NCB officials. He was accompanied by a senior IO and they went inside the court. Now inside the courtroom, we understand that this hearing went on for close to about, we can say, 20-25 minutes. And in here we understand that the lawyer of Basit tried to argue on his case, saying that it is a bailable offence, and also on the other side there was no seizure made from his house. This is the main the main defence that the lawyer of Basit was using. On the other hand, in fact, while speaking to the media, he also told us how he was trying to say that there is no recovery also which was done from the client, and it was only 5 grams of the drug that was recovered from his house. So definitely if it is not such a big amount, he should be given the bail. Basit should have been given the bail, which is is what the lawyer was arguing for. At the
Okay.
same time, he is also told that they are making a mountain out of a molehill, is the defense that the lawyer of Basit has used in this entire argument. But we understand after 25 minutes or so, when the team came out, we were told that Basit has been given NCB custody till September 9th. Now, it's very important here, Purva, considering we've seen even Zaid was sent to the NCB custody, and also this is the second drug peddler in this case that has been sent to the custody. And now, considering NCB has detained Shovik and Miranda both, it is key to note what more details out of this comes out, because officially now all the four are with the NCB right now, and the copy says that the four are interlinked. They have known each other for quite long as far as this drug handling is concerned, and also at the same time recovery was made from some of their houses. So it is very important as to what NCB now gets more from each of them now that they have been given the custody till September 9th with NCB.
All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those insider details of what happened at the court and the arguments that have been made by the defense lawyer of Basit. In fact, more updates now coming in. Sources there telling Mirror now that Shovik was in fact given the option to join the probe at the Colaba office by the NCB, but Shovik in fact chose to be escorted by the NCB, citing the media presence. Now, sources there further adding that the arrest of Samuel Miranda and Shovik will only be made if material evidence is found. So those are the details now coming in, and now sources there indicating that the arrest of both Samuel Miranda and Shovik will be made only if material evidence is found. Something that my colleague Sandhya also pointed out, that right now they have been issued notice to join the probe, which is procedural. Neither have they been detained nor have they been arrested at this point. But as sources there further indicating that the arrest of both Miranda and Shovik will be made if there is material evidence that is found. Meanwhile, we understand, according to sources, that Shovik was given the option to join the probe at the Colaba office by the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau. But Shovik Chakravarti, in fact, chose to be escorted by the NCB, citing the media presence. Remember, earlier in the day, we had also seen searches that were conducted at two of the places, both at Shovik's residence, at Samuel Miranda's residence at around 6:40 a.m. It has been happening since 6:40 a.m. And there have been several digital evidence that have been seized from the residence of Shovik Chakravarti, following which both Shovik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda were issued notice to join the probe. But later on, according to sources, we now believe that Shovik was given the option to even join the probe at the Colaba office by the NCB. But then that time, Shovik chose to be escorted by the NCB, citing the presence of the media. Furthermore, the sources are also indicating that the arrest of Samuel Miranda and Shovik will be made only if material evidence is found. So far, they have neither been detained nor been arrested. They have just been issued notice to join the probe and being questioned by the NCB in this regard. In fact, further updates now coming in regarding this entire aspect and the drug link probe that is currently exploring. There are various facets, various angles that are being considered at this point. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Alok for further understanding on all the drug links that have so far emerged at this point. Alok, over to you. There are a lot of names that are doing the rounds. It is very important right now to understand the connections that have been made, the kind of arrests that have been made, the names that are coming out, and who all are connected in this entire list related to this case.
Well, Apurva, this is a kind of network that is operating in the Bollywood, and Narcotics Control Bureau is working on it. If you see this network was working on a kind of drug that is called bud. And this is a purified form of marijuana, and also what we call in the general language, normal language, it's called a weed. And these persons who are basically Shovik and Samuel Miranda are found to be involved as the part of this network. In fact, there is a chat that was recovered by Narcotics Control Bureau, and they had arrested earlier. There were 4 persons who were arrested from Bandra. One Jayad was arrested, and then later after that Basit was also arrested. What the Narcotics Control Bureau has found out that Zayed was directly in touch with Shovik Chakravarti, and in fact Basit was also the main person who was delivering this consignment. And in fact from Shovik Chakravarti, it was Samuel Miranda who was sent to take the consignment from Basit. And this whole deal was happened in the month of March this year. This is what the Narcotics Control Bureau has found out. And this way that they have found that these two persons basically who are from the film industry, they were involved in the drug cartel. Remember, Narcotics Control Bureau is working on various aspects of these kinds of cartel which are operating in the Bollywood and also in the Mumbai. So they are saying that there are other networks also working in Bollywood, and they are also trying to go more deeper into those networks as well. But as of now, these two persons are found to be involved in this network. That's why they have been now being taken for interrogation. Their interrogations are on at NCB office in Mumbai, and there are more revelation and more shocking revelation likely to come out in the coming hours. Back to you.
All right. Alok, many thanks for joining us and giving us an overall understanding there of this network and the links that have emerged and the names that are doing the rounds at this point. Let me once again go back to my colleague Santya Gora for further updates on this. And these are insider updates that are coming in. Sources, they're further indicating right now that the arrest of Samuel Miranda and Shovik will be made only if there is material evidence that is found at this point. Santya, over to you for this. We have been constantly reiterating the fact that this is procedural. They have neither been arrested nor being detained, but there is of course more sources now that are also indicating that the arrest of both Miranda and Shovik will only happen if they find material evidence. What are the details you're picking up on that front?
Talking about Shovik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda, they are brought here for questioning. That's the stand which has been maintained by NCB officials. They have clarified that neither it's a detention nor an arrest. And talking about the other accused here, Apurva, Basit Parihar, who was produced in the court today, in his remand copy, NCB officially for the first time has accepted, has revealed that his links were there with Shovik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda. The remand copy says that Basit revealed the purchasing and selling of marijuana. He has accepted he was involved in it. Basit used to procure drugs from Zaid and Ibrahim on the instructions of Shovik Chakravarti, and Basit was directed by Shovik to deliver the contraband to Samuel Miranda. And also there are instances when Basit facilitated to arrange for the drugs, and he was in constant touch with Shovik Chakravarti, is what the remand copy says. For the first time officially, CBI, NCB in a document of court has mentioned Shovik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda's links with one of the arrested accused. Apurva.
All right, Santya, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there in this case.